But now here's the question. Those doors are going to shut, and what you do over the next few seconds, assuming you don't look too messy, is going to determine whether or not this person standing here and you have a good positive conversation, or the doors open on that next floor and that person is running for the exits because they don't know what this crazy person in the elevator is talking about, and they don't want to have anything to do with that. So the elevator pitch, if you didn't know this already, is all about preparation. And I will tell you that 80 to 90% of the people that I come in contact with at the networking functions that I go to have not taken the time to prepare, and boy, is it painfully obvious. 8 o'clock in the morning, you're sitting there and you're listening to people, A, droning on for too long, B, they don't have anything unique to talk about in terms of their business, or they're just throwing filler things in there. So what are elevator pitches all about? What's the goal? And what's the goal of this particular pitch? And I say that with emphasis because one size elevator pitch does not fit all situations.